Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. How much do Uber Black drivers make? You've done a video about this, right?
Yeah.
Let's take a look here. How much money do Uber Black drivers make? This is in California, so this is a really, really good case study. Want to read this?
Yeah, so how much do Uber drivers make in California in 2024?
Oh, this is just Uber drivers. Let's go to the Uber Black section. Here we go. How much could I earn driving Uber Black?
Okay, so this was a study from 2020, so keep that in mind. That was 4 years ago. Okay?
But
So
also keep in mind, Uber hasn't raised their rates I don't think at all since 2020. So, which is another reason why you might want to consider going to work at McDonald's. But anyways, let's continue.
Yeah, it says Uber Black drivers earn $25 an hour. Okay, it says if you drive consistently Uber Black, you could expect a yearly salary of $52,000.
So you might basically make close to that if you just work at McDonald's.
Yeah.
And keep in mind, McDonald's, that's the starting salary, right? 20 bucks an hour?
Yeah.
So if you go, like, what if you get a promotion at McDonald's?
Yeah, you could work up to be a manager.
Yeah, or a shift supervisor even, which is like a step below the manager.
Yeah.
I would say, honestly, if you get a job at McDonald's, keep in mind the people who work at McDonald's typically, are like, I want to say they're like, your competition of getting a promotion at McDonald's, if you put in the work and you have a great attitude and everything, and you really convince them that, hey, I love working here, they might give you a promotion easier than, let's say, you go and get a job as a stockbroker. Everyone is dedicated their whole life to working as a stockbroker. If you go work at McDonald's, you could probably get a promotion within like 6 months. If you show up every single day, have a good attitude, they probably promote you pretty quickly. You could probably get up to 25 an hour.
Yeah, and I think the turnover rate is pretty high because I think a lot of people they hire are like younger.
Yeah.
And
then they go to college and then they leave, or they do this or that.
If they only work part-time or something like.
Yeah. So just an interesting case study here, but so if you're thinking of becoming an Uber Black driver, here are the requirements. Look at this guy. He's very professional looking.
Yeah, no, you have to dress up, I think, if you're an Uber Black driver.
You have to be over 4.85 rating. Wow. You cannot get bad ratings.
Yeah.
Well, they even say it twice. So they're really serious about the ratings. They say it up here, and then they also mention it one more time right here. So if your rating falls below 4.85, it will be reassessed after your next 50 trips for your qualification. Interesting. Oh, I didn't realize that your car doesn't need to actually be colored black. Did I literally this whole time think your car needed to be the color black?
No, I think it does need to be black.
No, look, it's this guy's a silver one.
Yeah, but if you look at this thing,
this is on the Uber website.
If you look at the text next to it, It's talking about all the Ubers.
No, it's just saying you can also accept UberX, Uberpool, and Uber XL.
Oh.
See? This is the Uber Black site. So according to Uber.com, guys, your car can be gray. I'm just saying. Just saying.
Well, there's a list of of cars that qualify.
Yeah, I just thought that your like the color actually needed to be black. But I guess it doesn't matter. If you go in with a gray car, guys, show them this website. Say, hey, it says on your website that you can drive with a gray car. But yeah, you can make around 25 bucks an hour after profit. I don't know who this is. Oh, this was the California fast food. Oh, okay. So comment below if you've ever done that.